Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. JFG Racing Rear Brake Disc Guard and Caliper Guard CNC All Fits. Fitment. Fits for CRF250R 2004-2017/CRF250X 2004-2017/CRF450R 2002-2017/CRF450X 2005-2017/CRF450RX 2017. Material: CNC machined with aluminum, incredibly light and strong, perfect anodized surface treatment, not easy to oxidize and fade. Number 2. MZS Dirt Bike Foot Pegs. MZS motorcycle foot pegs made of modern 6061 T6 aluminum alloy integrated CNC process has good corrosion resistance and is not easy to get rust and long life. And more importantly, it has higher tensile strength and yield strength, and does not easily get damaged even under collision. Number 3. Rzmmotor Stop Kill Mode Change Switch. Feature: OEM specifications with long-lasting spring and wire by rigorous testing, exact connector, no need change harness, plug and play. Package: a handlebar switch assembly is packed in a fine box. Service: if there is any product problem within 1 year, please contact us to solve it for you. We provide product service. Number 4. AnXin Motorcycle Rear Brake Pedal Foot Lever Folding Tip. This brake pedal foot lever is fit for CRF250R 2004-2023 CRF450R 2005-2023 CRF450RX 2017-2023 CRF250RX 2019-2023. The aluminum brake pedal uses extremely strong forged aluminum arms and CNC machined toe tips, making this brake pedal one of the toughest brake pedals you can buy for a motorcycle. The pegs of brake pedal tip are made of stainless steel and can be replaced. Number 5. Rzmmotor Motorcycle Brake Master Cylinder Reservoir Clutch Lever Fit. Condition: 100% brand new brake clutch cylinder fluid reservoir levers can perfectly replace the original one. Material: levers are made of aluminium and anodized in the same color as the cap of the brake fluid reservoir. User experience: 3-finger designed levers fit mostly people. Its CNC surface levers are smoothly and make you feel more comfortable.